Hello, today I'm going to show you how to move charts in Excel. So this is going to be one of the shorter videos I've ever made, but it's one of those things that I think it merits a video because people make mistakes with it. So here I've got a chart. If you're looking to create charts or format charts, and I've made some videos on that, you should check those out. To the point where you want to move your chart, well, there's a couple ways you can do it. Two perfectly reasonable approaches. One is just right click on the chart and you got move chart ... That means you're going to get a dialog box and you got two options. Object in. So currently it is an object in coffee sales. You could move it to another sheet if that made sense, but since I don't have another sheet, the other option is new sheet. If you go new sheet, you should give it a name like chart. I click OK and it does that. So notice the chart is no longer here, it's now there. And so that is, I'm a big fan of that. You notice there was two options under move chart. One of them was object in, and the other one made an entire sheet dedicated to the chart. This is the one that I'm always looking for. The other one's just a glorified copy and paste. Let me make another chart just to kind of show you stuff. Alright, so let me make a new chart. Let's move it. Here's another chart. Alright, so I did the right click method, which is fine. I'm kind of anti-right click because I feel like the best thing you could do is learn how to use the ribbon. The other thing you could do is here under chart tools, there's your move chart button right there, and that takes you to the exact same place. And so you can go new sheet or object in. I personally am always asking for new sheet because I think that's pretty cool to make it into an entire sheet, whereas this is just a copy and paste, right? Like if I do this, I'm trying to show you that I don't like this. You see, it's just a copy and paste. I don't even really know why that other option exists, to be honest with you, because if what you want to do is copy and paste it, then you should copy and paste it. So the right way to do it, or the thing that I'm usually asking for, is move chart, and you go new sheet, give that sheet a name, and it makes your chart really big. So excellent for presenting and just working with. So that's moving charts in a nutshell. You can do it from a right click, you can do it from here, doesn't matter how you do it, but do understand that you've got two options. You've got that one, which is glorified copy and paste, and that one which creates a new sheet, which is probably what you want to do. Thanks for watching.